Hello trainees. Today we are going to learn about ADDIE. The objectives of this session are: after the session you will be able to define ADDIE model of instruction, state the advantages of ADDIE model, explain the ADDIE model of instruction. So let's begin. ADDIE is an instructional systems design (ISD) framework that is used to develop courses by many instructional designers and training developers. Instructional design is the systematic approach to the analysis, design, development, implementation, and evaluation of learning materials and activities. ADDIE is a project management tool that helps to coordinate the various steps of course and instructional design technology. Let's see them one by one. Analysis phase. In this phase, the instructional problems and objectives are understood and we identify the learning environment, learners' existing knowledge and skills. Some of the questions that may arise are: who are the learners and what are their characteristics? What is the desired new behavior? What types of learning constraints exist? What are the delivery options? What are the pedagogical considerations? What adult learning theory considerations apply? What is the timeline for project completion? A part of analyzing our needs is asking these questions. During this analysis, instructional designers will determine limitations and resources in order to make their plan of action better. Design phase. The design phase deals with learning objectives, tests, instruments, exercises, content, subject matter analysis, lesson planning, and media selection. This phase should be systematic and specific. Systematic means a logical, orderly method that identifies, develops, and evaluates a set of planned strategies for attaining course content. Specific means execute each element of the instructional design plan with attention to detail. The design phase may involve writing a design document or design proposal or concept and structure note to aid final development. Development phase. In this phase, instructional designers and developers create and assemble course content given in the design phase. If e-learning is involved, programmers develop or combine technologies. Designers create storyboards, materials, and procedures. The designer reviews and revises the course content according to feedback. Implementation phase. In this phase, we develop procedures for instructors and learners. Instructors cover the course curriculum, learning outcomes, method of delivery, and testing procedures. Preparation of learners. Preparation for learners includes training them on new tools, software or hardware, and trainee registration. Implementation. Implementation includes testing of the design. Evaluation phase. This phase consists of two aspects: formative and summative. Formative evaluation is present in each stage of the ADDIE process, while summative evaluation is conducted at the end of their course. Donald Kirkpatrick's 4 levels of learning evaluation are often utilized during this phase of the ADDIE process. These phases sometimes overlap and can be interrelated. However, they provide a dynamic, flexible guideline for developing effective and efficient instruction. Sample tasks, sample output. Analysis. The process of defining what is to be learned. Learner profile. Problem identification. Task analysis. Learner profile. Description of constraints. Needs. Problem statement. Task analysis. Design. The process of specifying how it is to be learned. Written objectives. Develop test items. Plan instruction. Identify resources, measurable objectives, instructional strategy, prototype specifications, development, the process of authoring and producing the materials, work with producers, develop workbook, flowchart program, storyboard, script, exercises, computer-assisted instruction, implementation, the process of installing the project in the real-world context, teacher training, tryout, student comments, data, evaluation, the process of determining the adequacy of the instruction, record time data, interpret test results, revise activities, recommendations, revised prototype. Let's quickly recap what we have learned till now. The ADDIE model is a systematic instructional design framework comprising analysis, design, development, implementation, and evaluation phases. It addresses learner needs, objectives, and learning environment. Systematic and specific, it involves content creation, technology integration, implementation procedures, and evaluation methods. Its advantages lie in structured planning, effective execution, and continuous improvement. Hope you have understood everything taught in the video. See you in another interesting and exciting video. Until then, thank you and goodbye.